First established in 1966, the Goenka family's name has echoed through the steel industry for decades. Over the years, we've been crafting not just steel but stories of strength and resilience. Deva Shree Ispat, started in 2005, stands as a testament to the grit and determination that fueled their ascent. From humble beginnings to the intricate world of steel manufacturing, each year has been building a narrative of trust, reliability and excellence. And from this forge of dreams emerged Shree TMT, their magnum opus, a symphony of strength crafted to shape the very backbone of extraordinary structures. Today, Shree TMT steel bars are the cornerstone of extraordinary structures. Whether it's the towering presence of skyscrapers, the connectivity of flyovers, the solidity of large corporate buildings, or the safety of our homes, Shree TMT stands tall. As the most prominent and trusted brand in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Shree TMT is available across 200 plus retail outlets in and around Hyderabad. But with great trust comes great responsibility. As the backbone of these structures, we bear the responsibility of upholding the trust placed in us. So, what sets us apart? A commitment to transforming construction trends with our next gen Shree TMT Extra 550 steel bars. These represent our dedication to excellence. Defined by a pioneering 3X design, Shree TMT's unique rib-on-rib pattern is meticulously crafted to revolutionize concrete bonding, withstand extreme stress, support large and complex structures, and ensure cost savings in construction. At the core of these groundbreaking products lies a detailed manufacturing process, from in-house induction furnaces for melting and refining of raw material, to using a continuous casting machine with a 7x11 radius for precision. Our foolproof manufacturing process ensures that only the highest quality billets are used to manufacture our TMT bars. With a fully automated rolling mill, CNC machines for meticulous cutting, and German quenching technology for superior strength, ductility and flexibility, our TMT bars are of the highest global standards. In addition, our high-tech lab ensures total quality control of the finished products. Yet, what truly sets Shree TMT apart is the extraordinary dedication of our team. A highly skilled collective, metallurgists, rolling experts, engineers, and even our frontline plant workers. From working hands-on with masons to educating and addressing the needs of bar benders, every member of our team is fueled by a spirit to redefine what's possible.
श्री टीएमटी में काम करने का एक अच्छा ये है कि हमको फ्रीडम मिलता है यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए।
यहाँ के जो मैनेजमेंट्स हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव हैं, और जो एमडी सर है और जूनियर एमडी सर है, ये लोगों ने बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुझे हेल्प किया और बहुत ही ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया कि आप कोई भी R&D करो, हम आपके साथ हैं।
यहाँ सब लोग मिलके पैशनेटली काम करता है, इसलिए हमारा प्रोडक्ट सबसे अलग है, सबसे एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी है।
As we stand amidst our towering achievements and unwavering commitment, the true testimony to our extraordinary quality lies in the unbreakable bonds we've forged over the years.
We are using Shree TMT last 30 years. There is no complaint, no problem, no physically and chemically. We are testing every time when we deliver the steel.
As previously said, Shree TMT has an edge over the quality compared to other brands. Now they are coming with 550D and the extra TMT also they are supplying. Quality wise and all those things, Shree TMT has an edge.
My step I was saying that is 28 floors building. Then we will loft 20 floors. Almost all products, Terra North and Terra South, Use it for everywhere.
We build the extraordinary.
We build extraordinary.
We build the extraordinary with Shree TMT.
In addition to the accolades received from important external parties, Shree TMT processes don't just meet but exceed government-prescribed benchmarks. We thank all our clients, our partners, and every individual who believes in the power of extraordinary. As we reflect on our journey, we stand at the threshold of a future where innovation shapes the extraordinary. Fueled by strength, resilience, and unshakable trust, Shree TMT is committed to building the extraordinary today and every day.